In question 3, we have to find the following squares by using the appropriate identities. So let's start with the first part. In the first part, we have to calculate the square of b minus 7. So we have to calculate b minus 7 whole square. Now this is of the form a minus b whole square. So let's expand it using the appropriate identity. So we can write this as b square minus 2 into b into 7 plus 7 square. So this is how we can expand this. So we get b square, then minus 2 into b into 7. Minus 2 into 7 is minus 14. So we get minus 14b, and then 7 square is 49. So we get plus 49. So this expression, b square minus 14b plus 49, this is the answer for part 1. Now we go to part 2. In part 2, we have to calculate xy plus 3z whole square. So this is of the form a plus b whole square, which can be expanded as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we expand this as xy whole square plus 2 into xy into 3z, and then we have 3z whole square. So this is how we can expand this second square, and this will be equal to x square y square. Then we have 2 into xy into 3z. So 2 into 3 is 6. So we will get 6xyz as the second term, 6xyz. And then we have 3z whole square, which will become 9z square. So this expression, x square y square plus 6xyz plus 9z square, this is the answer in the second part. Now we come to part 3. In part 3, we have to expand 6x square minus 5y whole square. So this is of the form a minus b whole square, where a is 6x square and b is 5y, and we can expand a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's expand this accordingly. So we write 6x square whole square minus 2ab, so minus 2 into 6x square into 5y, and then we have plus b square or plus 5y whole square. Okay, so 6x square whole square will be 36, and x square square is x to the power 4. So the first term we get is 36x to the power 4. Then we have minus 2 into 6 into 5, that's minus 60, and we have x square into y. So the second term will be minus 60 x square y. And finally we have the last term, the third term, 5y whole square, which will be 25y square. So this expression, 36x to the power 4 minus 60x square y plus 25y square, this is the answer for part 3. Next we come to part 4, in which we have to find the square of 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n. So we have to find the square of this expression. So this is of the form a plus b whole square, which we can expand as a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a is this term 2 by 3m, and b is this term 3 by 2n. So let's expand this accordingly. So we will get a square or 2 by 3m whole square plus 2ab, so 2 into 2 by 3m into 3 by 2n, and then we have plus b square, so 3 by 2n whole square. Alright, now 2 by 3m whole square will be 4 by 9m square. Then we have 2 into 2 by 3m into 3 by 2n. So this 2 and this 2 cancel out. This 3 and this 3 cancel out. So we are left with 2 into m into n. Okay, so the second term we get is 2mn. And then the last term, 3 by 2n whole square, can be written as 9 by 4n square. So this expression, 4 by 9m square plus 2mn plus 9 by 4n square, this is the answer for part 4. Next we come to part 5, in which we have to calculate 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square. So this is of the form a minus b whole square, where a is 0.4p and b is 0.5q, and a minus b whole square can be expanded as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's expand this accordingly. So a square will be 0.4p whole square. Then we have minus 2ab, so minus 2 into 0.4p into 0.5q, and then we have plus b square or plus 0.5q whole square. Now 0.4p whole square will be 0.16p square. Okay, make sure you understand this. The square of 0.4 is 0.16. So we get 0.16p square. Then we have minus 2 into 0.4p into 0.5q. So if you take the product minus 2 into 0.4 into 0.5, you will get minus 0.4. So the second term will be minus 0.4 p q, because you have the variables p and q. And finally the last term, the third term, will be 0.5 q whole square, which is 0.25 q square, because the square of 0.5 is 0.25. So this expression that you get, 0.16 p square minus 0.4 pq plus 0.25 q square, this is the answer in part 5. Finally, we come to part 6, in which we have to calculate 2xy plus 5y whole square. So this expression is of the form a plus b whole square, where a is 2xy and b is 5y. And we can expand a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's expand this. So we get 2xy whole square plus 2ab, so 2 into 2xy into 5y plus b square, so plus 5y whole square. Okay, now 2xy whole square will be 4x square y square. So each term in the product gets squared. So we get 4x square y square. Then we have 2 into 2xy into 5y. So 2 into 2 into 5 is 20. And then we have two repetitions of y and one repetition of x. So we will get xy square as the variable part. So the second term we will get is 20xy square. And then the third term, the last term, will be 5y whole square, which is 25y square. So this expression, 4x square y square plus 20xy square plus 25y square, this is the answer in part 6. And with this, we have completed question number 3.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.